shaker makers, long time no see. It's Demo Donna here, and I just wanted to welcome you, all new subscribers, you know who you are, to the fantastic Queen and Company YouTube show. I just came up with that little ditty, just on the spot there. Anyways, welcome. I'm so excited to be here. I've been in the craft business for over 20 years and am super excited to be partnering up to get this YouTube party started here at the Queen and Company YouTube channel. Queen and Company has been shaken up crafting for over 17 years now. So I know there are a ton of queens out there, shaker queens, you know who you are, who absolutely love Queen and Company and know the ins and out of queenandcompany.com, the Facebook pages, the Instagram, the Facebook Lives, all those fun things, the royalty program to earn your crowns, get your points, save some money. You know about all these things. So, you can just listen and hang out with me if you want, or just move on over to the next video. For those of you that are new to Queen and Company, this is a lovely, fantastic, colorful, bright, cheery, exciting, active company to make all your paper crafting projects even more awesome. So Queen and Company is known for shaking things up, like I said, with their fantastic shaker cards and their amazing shaker kits. I don't have a ton of samples, but I'm just going to show you a couple quick things. Pardon my paper printout. Right here is a perfect example. It's very tiny. So again, if you can't see anything I'm showing you, please click on the link in the description box below and check it out on the website. So print out. You're like, Demo, you're killing me. So this is a great example. This is the fruit stand kit. This is a great example of what you get in a specialty shaker kit. You get the fantastic, I have real samples of these, obviously. You get the fantastic paper pad with this beautifully designed decorative paper, which coordinates perfectly with the toppings. It's adorable. Love it. It's gonna make your cards look just stunning. So you get this 24 pack, 6x6, double-sided specialty paper. You also get your dies. Check that out. That is a ton of dies. So for every individual, not individual die, but the actual image, the pineapple, the cherry, the banana, for each one of those, you can make 3 shakers per item. So 3 banana shakers, 3 cherry shakers, 3 pineapple shakers. So in here you get your double-sided adhesive pre-cut foam to make making a shaker easy. Who would have thought? Do you remember back in the day, like cutting all those little pieces and trying to make it into the shape, and it took forever? Hi, thank you, Queen and Company, for making our lives so much easier, right? So you get enough to make 3 pineapple shakers. Plus, by the way, there's so much more you can do once you run out of the 3. You could go plan A and order your backup so you can get extra foam and extra acetate pieces. So if you want to just keep going the distance, which I know some of you do, go ahead and do that. Or you can get creative, and we'll be working on things like that on our YouTube channel here shortly. Check it out. They will be popping up week after week, tips, tricks, techniques on how to be a shaker maker. So on how to use different elements. You've already got the dies, so you know what I'm talking about. You can cut out another pineapple if you're out of your shakers, but still so much fun in here. Enough to make 3 per design element, as well as the acetate. And we will be doing a Shaker Maker 101 video, of course, coming up. So far I've showed you in the kit, you've got your paper pack, you've got your dies, you've got your foam and your acetate pieces. You also have, hi, are you kidding me right now? A stamp set also in the kit with, by the way, take a minute tonight, puberty, take a minute this evening or right now, check out queenandcompany.com and read some of these sayings that they put together with their kits. They are adorable. I mean, I hope your birthday is just peachy. Come on. Thank you, Cherry Much. Hello, sweet friend. My reading, I know it's off the charts. It's blowing your mind. Really cute. Plus, another fun fact about all of their stamps, they fit in their foundation dies. We'll get more to that later. Foundation dies, a word you're gonna love. Okay, we've talked about all those parts in the kit. Everybody's favorite, the embellishments, aka toppings, guys. These are the little bits of fun heaven that go inside your shaker cards. So each kit comes with a bunch of coordinating embellishments, toppings, which is super fun. So check that out. There's just one kit that I just showed you. There are many, many, many kits. There's also really exciting, the shaped card kit, which, you know, instead of going on an A2 card, you've got the beautiful shape of whatever item you guys pick. So that's pretty awesome. Check out the kits. They are phenomenal, and I will be doing additional videos coming up, how-tos from start to finish on how to design that beautiful card that you want to make using that kit. So we will be doing a lot of that coming up here on the YouTube channel. To get into some other fun things really quick about Queen & Company, they have amazing paper pads. So I know I just showed you the fruit stand paper pad, but something else that they've recently added to their new paper pads is you not only have that beautiful decorative pad, but hi, right here. Look at that, Sweet Shop Solids that coordinate this beautiful solid paper that coordinates matchy-matchy. We all like that as crafters. We're running around trying to find that exact paper that matches this. Right here, they've done that for us. So you can add that on too. Also with your kits, you can add on the outline dies. So instead of cutting up that background, sneak peek for our video coming up, instead of cutting up that background that goes behind that completely closes your shaker, you have the outline for it. Obviously, adorable little Frankie here is not so difficult to cut out, but when you get into more of those intricate designs, and no one likes fussy cutting. So there you go. I've gone through the paper pads, you've got the kits, they have accessories. The sheer glue has been specially formulated to work with that acetate and that paper, so make sure you check that out. They've got tape, amazingly beautiful. I mean, you know I'm gonna love this. This is a glitter foam decorative paper, beautiful, and you could run this through your die cut machine. I've got some great ideas coming up for videos with these bad boys. Okay, let's get back to embellishments. I don't have the hugest collection because I'm a newbie-ish. I mean, I've kind of been a stalker, but, you know, technically a newbie. But this is just a, you know, it's a little collection. If you've ever been to the booth of Queen & Company, it is this beautiful, luscious rainbow, just reaches out to you. You want to go in there, go shopping, start working on your collection of embellishments, of your toppings, so you can add those in to make your shaker cards pop. So it's a lot of fun to mix and match and get creative and have your own formulations in there. You're gonna love doing that. Now, I mentioned they also have dies. So they have foundation dies, and I'm just gonna show you one foundation die because, again, I could be here forever. So the cool thing about their foundation dies, and this is number 1, it goes all the way up to number 9. And basically it's taken the guesswork out of card layering. And our amazing designer, Ginger, has created great sketches to go with all of these foundation dies, and we will do a video with that coming up shortly as well. They've also got storage. So this is a great store. I know you guys like to be organized. Store all of your toppings and all of your beautiful, I mean, literally beautiful embellishments. Check those out on the website again, queenandcompany.com. Another thing we're going to be bringing you on this YouTube channel is on Fridays, we are going to have a very fun feature, and we are going to be doing fan favorites. So I will be dropping that video shortly, so you'll be able to learn more about that. Also, the Royal Rewards program, not rewards, Royal Rewards, where you earn crowns. So you're simply gonna go to queenandcompany.com, create an account, make sure you're logged in when you're on the website, and you can earn your crowns. When you go shopping, earn your crowns. When you go to Instagram, earn your crowns. They know what you're doing when you're hanging out in there, and they reward you for that. Oh, leave a review, earn some crowns. How easy is that? And then when you want to, you can apply them to your next purchase. So there is a great frequently asked questions there. You could just scroll down and read all up and learn all about that, which is fantastic. Am I missing anything? I don't know. There's so much to tell you guys. I am really excited for you guys coming over here. Welcome new subscribers. This is going to be a really fun journey for Queen & Company, and to be able to answer all of those questions that they have been collecting, that their customers have been asking. Please show us how to do this. How do you do this? I'm here to answer all those questions. So leave your comments below if you have any, or just say hi. Like this video, because you're like, hey, yay, Donna's back, woo, Queen's here, yay. Like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends. Go to the Facebook page, because these amazing designers do fun Facebook Lives where you could see these kits. Become a royal member, earn your queen status. You got a lot of homework, but it's fun stuff. So thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you subscribe, then you'll get notified when we drop new videos week after week after week. So you'll start to see a little pattern happening here, and check out all of these fun things that we're doing. Get inspired. Put a smile on your friends and family's faces when you send them a super shaker card. Bye, you guys.